Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Zara
And I'm Anja.
and we are representing
Team Hydro.
Our nutrition menu is...
Watermelon, lychee, crush.
We all know that water is important and too many sweet drinks can be dangerous and cause diabetes, right?
Yes, totally. But do you know that there are some fruits that can keep us hydrated? It's watermelon.
Why is water so important for us? Well, it's because it helps us keep fit and healthy, and also because our bodies are made of 60% of water on average.
Watermelon contains around 96% of water, while for lychee contains around 82% of water.
So today, we are going to be making a drink that can help us keep fit, healthy, and most importantly, hydrated.
Let's get started! First, we need our main ingredients, watermelon and lychee.
Next, we need water and ice.
Now we place the ingredients in the blender and crush it.
Let's put the watermelon in the blender.
Now lychee.
Now, let's put the water.
And now the ice. Now, let's blend it.
Now, it's time to fill the glasses.
Wow, that looks very tasty.
I know, right? Now let's enjoy this nutritious drink together. Wow, that was so delicious and refreshing.
Mashallah, I agree. Give yourself a try with this recipe.
Thank you and see you guys.
Assalamualaikum.